Welcome guys, if you wonder how to play with random players online on the FIFA 23, I'm going to show you. So we got two options. You can play with the ultimate team with the random players, and you can also play with the standard clubs, like for example the Chelsea or Liverpool. So we can go for the play modes. And right now we can go, for example, for the seasons. We have to click yes. And after that we have to just tap to play match. We have to pick our team, set tactic, change position, and you can also change the matchmaking settings or your controller settings and then tap on the search. Right now the game is looking for our opponent, and as you can see it's easily turned on. So right now I'll play match with someone, and that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.